To change the unit format on your Garmin Forerunner 55, press and hold the up button to reach the menu, then press the up button again one more time to reach the bottom of the page and select System with the Start Stop button. Then go down to Format and select it with Start Stop and select Unit with Start Stop again. From here you have the choice between Metric and Statute. Actually, Statute is Imperial. I don't know if it's a translation error or just my vocabulary in English that it's not good enough, but, well, Statute is for Imperial. So once your choice is made, select it with the Start Stop button and go back to the main screen with the back button multiple times. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.